My name is Courtney Schimanski and I started level 5 patisserie at Ada. I grew up with a family of chefs, so I've always been around food my whole entire life. And every weekend, me and my grandmother always used to bake. It was a tradition between me and her, and that's how I fell in love with it. I chose to study at Ada because it's a world-renowned school and it is one of the best in New Zealand. I was able to show more of my creativity side because I did the level 3 cookery as well, but I didn't get to express how I really felt and what I really wanted to do. So doing level 5 patisserie, I got to show more of my interests, my skills, and basically just explore more into the sweet side. We got to do everything from plated desserts to cakes to little mini entremets, high teas, chocolate works. We kind of got to cover all bases that you'd really need for your career. This job is definitely my biggest highlight, so Ada definitely helped me get to where I am today. I'm currently the pastry chef at Supply Christchurch. Write recipes for new and upcoming events because some clients request personalised things, so I always try and come up with something different. It's a new challenge, it's exciting, it's brand new for New Zealand. Basically we're here just to showcase Christchurch and what we can do here in New Zealand. It's the most fun thing you'll ever do. I mean, you get to be the most creative, you get to explore everything, try anything new. It's just a really fun time. Ada prepared me by starting me from all the basics. They just taught me everything I needed to learn.